Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of January. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for the Capricorns. Okay, so we have the Six of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Star, Eight of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Five of Swords, the Fool, Four of Pentacles, the Moon, Nine of Cups, Ace of Wands. Wow, that's beautiful. And the Ace of Cups. Felt like taking one more, which is the Temperance. So Capricorns, you are definitely moving away from something which was troubling you emotionally. You are just choosing peace over something, and that something seems to be this fight or an argument over here with somebody with the Five of Swords. Okay, so there has been something which has troubled you, which you feel is not worth staying in that situation, and you are leaving the situation behind, choosing peace over the fight. And with the Queen of Swords, you are detaching yourself from that situation or from that person, and just maybe not even communicating or investing your energy into this situation at all. Okay, so you have the clarity, okay, there's no point in talking to this person or this situation, there's no point in investing, so you're just keeping things at a distance. And what you are doing is you are choosing peace, you are choosing your happiness, you are choosing your own wish fulfillment over whatever it was which was troubling you, and you are working hard. With the Star being there and the Eight of Pentacles and the Two of Wands, you are working hard for a new beginning. So whatever you are just moving towards your wish fulfillment, whatever you love, whatever your desires are. Okay, and you are working hard towards that. With the Two of Wands being there, you are working hard and being ready. Whatever is required, you're investing your time, your energy, your sincerity, honesty, whatever it is, all your resources you are investing, working hard on a new beginning. And with the new beginning, now you are ready to embark on a new journey of life. Maybe you have two options there, or you're just choosing which way to move ahead. It's something like that. So definitely you are leaving something behind, moving towards your wish fulfillment, and working hard to achieve whatever you feel is your dream come true, or whatever you feel are your dreams. So you're moving towards your wish fulfillment over there. And with the Fool card over here, Fool, the Four of Pentacles and the Moon. So this is, here you have started, you are ready to move ahead in a new journey, waiting for the right time, right opportunity, right maybe waiting for your ships to come in, whatever it is. Okay, so it's not that you've started the movement here. You are just waiting for the right time, right opportunity, right person, whatever it is. But yes, you are ready over here. And with the Fool card over here, the Four of Pentacles and the Moon. So you are taking a leap of faith. You are ready to move ahead. But yes, you are closed off, because you know that the path ahead is uncertain. You really don't have the clarity. So you are waiting here for the right time, as I said, or the right opportunity, right person, whatever it is. But the energy here is that yes, you are ready to move forward for the new beginning. That is important. You are ready to move forward for this new beginning. But yes, you are not opening up all your cards. You are keeping things to yourself. Because with the Moon, what I feel is, though you are being guided by your intuition, you are using your intuition beautifully, but since the path ahead is uncertain, you really don't know how things will shape up. So you're not opening up immediately, whatever the situation is, or not investing in it immediately. So you're just, this is a wise thing to do, whatever it is. You're not just spending everything, if it is finances, or not opening up all your emotions if it is an emotional situation. So you're holding things to yourself because it's a new path. You really don't know how it will go ahead. And here the way you do it is so wise that you are just manifesting. Your wishes are coming true with the Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups. Definitely you are feeling very, very passionate towards this person or this situation, and it is actually giving you a lot of wish fulfillment, Capricorns. And with the Temperance, things are actually getting sorted out and balanced in your life. So you're leaving something behind, and you are actually manifesting your dreams to come true, and they are coming true. Okay, let's see what is the guidance from this deck. What is the message from this deck for Capricorns? Seven of Hearts. Maybe you have many choices. Maybe there is some sort of confusion while you are moving ahead in this journey, because it's a new journey, and there may be many options which may be confusing you. So that is obviously that is a time which will be there, and you will be following your instincts, and you will be able to take the right decision. That's what I feel, because you are not just pouring everything into it. You are going slow. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels over here. Two of Action. Trust in your ability to make excellent choices. So it's something like that with the Two of Wands. There's opportunity all around you. So many choices. If you just continue to move forward, it may be the time to take on a new partner who can help you be a success in your career or creative endeavors. Keep your eyes on the big picture rather than the details of the moment. And that is what you are exactly doing. You are keeping your eyes at the picture, and you are going slowly and wisely towards your wish fulfillment. I think it's a very beautiful reading for you, Capricorns. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.